They call it the ultimate shopping resort, but in a world where malls are struggling, is Orange County's most famous luxury destination still thriving, or is it starting to show its age?
Today I'm at South Coast Plaza. This is one of the world's largest indoor malls. It has been here since 1967 and it's owned and operated by the Nordstrom family.
Now this massive, we're talking 250 boutiques, critically acclaimed restaurants, and some of the most stunning architecture you're ever going to see in a shopping center. I've seen your comments on my Irvine Spectrum video, and you all wanted to see how the crown jewel of Orange County holds up. Well, today I'm doing a full walking tour. We're going to go across the Bridge of Gardens, and you're going to see something really spectacular that you've probably never seen if you visited South Coast Plaza before. And we're going to check out the luxury wing. We're going to see if the crowds are actually back. Is it worth the drive, or are we just here for window shopping? Let's find out.
Can I have a sample? Thank you. Oh wow, that's really good. Ooh, really good chocolate. There's a Din Tai Fung. There's always a wait here. And if you saw my video at Irvine Spectrum Center, you'll see that there was a very large Din Tai Fung there as well. We also have a Pandora and a Starbucks. This corridor is usually very packed because of the restaurant here. It typically takes about 3 hours to get a seat at Din Tai Fung.
We are now taking the Bridge of Gardens, which was completed in 1992. It was designed to connect the main two sections of the shopping center, and it spans across Bear Street.
Way across the bridge here.
This side of South Coast Plaza features Ruby's Diner, and it's officially known as the Crate and Barrel Wing, though many locals and longtime visitors still refer to it by its original name of Crystal Court.
it real? Yeah. I don't want to. You gotta touch a little bit. Oh my God. It's real. Wow, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous.
This is a 36th annual Spring Garden Show here at South Coast Plaza. Look at all the greenery lining every bit of this part of the mall. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy all the greenery here in the corridors at South Coast Plaza. This Boho Booknook is the first place winner in the 36th annual Southern California Spring Garden Show. Doesn't it just look peaceful and divine? I would sure love to have that in my backyard. Let's take a detailed look at the first place winner. And what a perfect choice of flowers to decorate the outside of the book nook. It gives you so many great ideas. I just have to take a peek inside. Wow, could you imagine just sitting there on a Sunday morning reading a book? And how convenient if your book nook was right next to the Starbucks. You can get a coffee right here. We can see some people just sitting around relaxing on their computers, having a nice hot coffee or tea. So this part of South Coast Plaza feels really nice to me. It has a very different vibe, a sense of community, and a sense of not being rushed, where you can just sit, relax, and enjoy yourself. Let's go ahead and look at this other beautiful garden creation. As we approach the second floor, you can see the Macy's home store. There's also a Victoria's Secret. This will also take you to the Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel, Hallmark Crown store, as well as the new coming Barnes & Noble store. You'll also notice that there's 3 levels of shopping. There's also West Elm, as well as Sur La Table. So you have plenty of home shopping that you can do on this side of South Coast Plaza here in Costa Mesa, California. There's some more displays of plants and flowers, and the patrons walk through, picking all of the beautiful plants that they may want to take home today. So, what do you think of this side of South Coast Plaza? Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer the main side or the crate and barrel side? Let me know. After seeing so many beautiful flowers, I decided to make my way back to the main mall here at South Coast Plaza and have some lunch at Nordstrom's. But before I sit down to enjoy my meal, I want to take a walk onto the Nordstrom Cafe balcony because they have some of the most beautiful views of Costa Mesa, California. Plus, they also have beautiful flowers outside that I can smell and touch. And as per usual, my Nordstrom's Cafe lunch was excellent. I had such a great afternoon here at South Coast Plaza. I am still in Nordstrom's. I'm gonna enjoy a little walkthrough, but before I do, please leave me a comment and let me know, would you visit South Coast Plaza on your next vacation to sunny Southern California? Do you like the Crate and Barrel side of South Coast Plaza, or do you like the main side of South Coast Plaza where there's more upscale upper end shops? Now I know we spent a lot of time today on the Crate and Barrel side, but those succulent, beautiful greens were just too gorgeous to not film. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Elisa. Please be so kind to give me a like if you enjoyed this video and this type of content. And if you want to come back to my channel for more walking tours and views, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you so much.